Hi dear masters, today we talk about the same high-speed trains on the world. From the term you can analyze that the speed of the train is really high and in some terms it is called bullet trains in the world. So Trains Talias, international operator of high-speed trains engaged in transportation of the line Brussels, Cologne, Amsterdam. Talias is mainly Spanish high-speed train, but it also operates as a Eurostar from Brussels to London as well. And plus, the maximum permissible speed is 300 km per hour. In Uzbekistan, we know it is 250 kilometers. Train Eurostar E320 connecting city London with Brussels, speed 320 km per hour, named for its top speed. Train has 16 carriage bearings of the Siemens Velar each measuring 400 meters. The view of this Eurostar, it is also high-speed train, and the view is really beautiful. Train Haraman. This train operates in Saudi Arabia, type of high-speed, number of stations 5. It connects the Muslim holy cities of Mecca and Medina through the economic seat of King Abdullah, using 450 kilometers of the main line and 4 kilometers of branch from King Abdullah's international airport in Jeddah. The view of this Arabic high-speed train, really. Train Shanghai Maglev, the high-speed train, the fastest in the world. It operates in China, location Shanghai, region speed 431 km per hour. So we can say double the higher speed of Uzbekistan train because 200 in Uzbekistan, 400 in China is really magnificent. Type of the magnetic rail line translated and stations Pudong International Airport among Yanglu. So the view of this maglev from two sides, there is magnetic fields to connect train and track road as well. But there is no contact between the locomotive and the road. It was built by older Shanghai authorities and by German consultant Transrapid, which includes Siemens Transrapid or a trained seasoned Kara brought from 2001 and 3. Project cost 1.3 billion US dollars. And in 16, the line operator report flows in excess of 1 billion yuan. Execute. So turning to the next point, we can see also some important information. There is given and taken some information from the lecture part. Also, high-speed train of Talgo in Uzbekistan. You can find this information in your lecture 6. First high-speed train electric Talgo 250 named after Rosyov arrived in Uzbekistan on this date on 22nd July 2001. Patented Talgo, the manufacturer of this Talgo electricity line. On 5th January 2001, Uzbekistan President Islam Karimov signed a resolution about the implementation of the project. The details are given, you will learn it by heart. So this train consists of 2 locomotives, a passenger car, 1 dining car as well. There are VIP, first class, economy class as well. So turning to the capacity of the train, it is about 257 people in it. Maximum speed 250 km per hour. It will spend 2 hours from Tashkent to Samarkand. So far, we should double this time. And let's talk about the company fully constructed railway Dasha Batiza with 59.3 km, which is electrified. And turning to the unusual European trains, high-speed train in the world. The first one is Shanghai Maglev with 267 mph of miles per hour, let's say, and all brief information given here. And second fastest Fuxing Qiao, it is 249 mph kilometer. Also, it is called Golden Phoenix or Fuxing Hao translates rejuvenation. Third one is Shinkansen H5. It is the third highest high-speed train. It is Japanese train. Information is given here. The fourth one, Italo 4 Frecacirosa. Sorry for the pronunciation. It is a Italian word, 220 mph. And the next one is Fierce Renfe. It's Spain's fastest train, Velaro, made by Siemens. After which travels all from Barcelona to Paris. 6-1 Deutsche Bahn, and remain 1 Western Railway. 7 Deutsche Bahn, sorry. 8-1 Korea. It is South Korea's high-speed train, not North one, but source. Next one Eurostar. Both TVG Eurostar trains are next high-speed trains were designed in 2015. And the 10th last one Thales, or Thalys, 186 mph, connecting Amsterdam, Brussels, Paris, Cologne with multiple daily services. So this is a list of high-speed trains, top 10 high-speed trains of the world. You take notes, learn, and discuss with your friends. And you're welcome while you do your tests. So you can observe more information from the internet, which is given in the links. Take care.